It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon here in Deer Island, Canada. So as you can see, it was giving snow, a little bit snow outside today, this morning, just a few flurries, and I just shovel our driveway. What's not really bad, but for today's video, I am going to carve pieces of a white cedar out of white cedar wood. I'm going to carve I'm going to carve a cardinal, one a big one and one a smaller one. A few people were asking me if I can make some couple of them, but there's three people or three customers are requesting. The story is like, I have a cardinal bird that I carved for a year ago, and I'm trying to sell it in the marketplace. So it was last night, and after that, when I posted, one at a time someone posted me that's available, interested, blah blah blah. So, and first one was like, he was interested, and he wants to buy it for Christmas. And the next message was he want to buy it if it is still available. And I said to him, like, sorry, it's already sold and it's gonna be picked up today. So I told them that I can make another one for you if you want it, and they want to go for it. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna make some couple of a unique design of a cardinal bird. It's gonna be my own idea. I mean, like, for some carvers they're almost similar, but it's inspired by someone else. But there's again a little bit different style. A bigger style cardinal and a small one, with one together with one pole of white cedar. So yeah, it's time to go out. It's time to check it out, the environment outside, and I'll see you then. First thing first, I have my two chainsaw here, and one is for blocking and one is for detailing. Blocking is the bigger one, 10-inch I guess, and I'm gonna fill this up first. It's nice today. It's around +1, and later tonight it's getting cold, so I have to I'm gonna refill first before I go to start carving. The old MS-170, I'm gonna book for maintenance in the dealer. Because clean. I'm not a good mechanic. Use canola oil if you wonder why, because it gives the chain soft when you running the mechanic system. I don't know what you call it, but it's safe. It's food grade. Sometimes I use industrial oil, commercial, but I use a cheaper one to buy for a canola oil or vegetable oil. Oil now in commercial, it's so expensive. The oil bar, it's crazy. Just getting my torch here so that I could start burn the trying to burn the the little furs right here in the fiber, this little fiber right here, splinters. And I'm gonna use a torch, burn a little bit, and after that some spots that need to be burned and take out the splinter, because once I go into a process of painting, it is easier to brush or spray if I use brush, but I usually use spray can. It's not a lot of color because the cardinal is just red. It's just red. But it is nice to remove those tiny little, this one right here. It's very nice because you can touch it. It's smooth and very smooth, and it's not like what do you call this, fiber, or it's not really like, you know. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to, the next step is I'm going to carve the beak here. I'm gonna use a cutter because it's easier to cut and faster. Just a small piece of detail, so I'm detailing the beak, you know, some around surround on the face of the, on the cardinal. And I'm gonna put some detail here, tiny feathers, not really fancy feather. I'm gonna detail each of the feather here. I'm gonna detail it, few details and few details here. And the small beak, small cardinal is, I'm gonna put some few details. And I really love to remove this one. I want to carve the other side, but it's a lot of work if I put it back, put on glue, you know, blah blah blah, and it's not really safe. Put it back, but there are other ways. But I would like to attach in one piece. The other one, the original one that I carved like this one, is I remove the small one. I remove the small one and carve it that side and put a lot of details and color it and put it back. So there are two ways, but I would love to just maybe put it back right there. It's not really fancy carved cardinal. This is simple carved cardinal. And anyway, yeah, almost done. I'm gonna I'm gonna put some few details first and burn with using a torch. Right, this right here. I think it still have fuel. Oh yeah, it works. So what I do is I burn this a lot. Not too close. Myself. I do just a little bit. You know, just a little bit burn. using this I'm using this kind of brush to uh, to get rid of those splinters that already burn. Like it's not really 100%, but at least I'm taking it out. But I like this kind of brush. There's a lot of like plastic spikes on it, and it's soft. So I put my tools away in the basement. I don't want to put it here because it's not safe. So I bought it. I got back in the basement, get my just one tool to carve the feather, the finger sander. This one, bought this in Amazon for 99 or almost 100, maybe 80 or something. Um, for me, I recommend myself to. It's recommendable for me for a project to work on detailing for this one, and it comes with this belt right here, and bought it in Amazon with this unit, and it comes with different cores. There are, I think, two kinds of cores. I think one. A course will be around. This is 300 cores of this sanding belt. I really want to get some fine belt to replace anytime if I want to. So yeah, I forgot to carve the details on this feather right here. The lines. I want to make it line of the feather. You see the feather of the bird, or this is what I use for faster one. It's just simple. Okay, after that, I am going to start painting. So here you go, guys. This is my finished product. Again, this is my second unique cardinal. So the cardinal was looking on that side at the back of his body. Birds can turn their heads like 90 degrees or 360 degrees. And this is the little one. Story on this is just like it's something about on my own self story, like a small ordinary cardinal, and then it's kind of folk story turns into a mixed phoenix large cardinal of some kind. And yeah, I'm supposed to making two of them, but I have to do this video just one set, and I'm gonna make another more for previous different interested clients. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog.